We left early though. We know it's going to be very hot, even here in Denmark. 36 degrees roughly, so we decided to go to, I forgot the name, Hell something.
I'm just following the GPS. Is it on there?
Hell something. I'll put it in the caption.
So
it's fine.
does it tell you?
No, okay. It's fine. But first we're going to a nice stop at Kafé Kamma, it's called, and it's supposed to give a nice view over the island that we're actually going to. And we're going to have a stop there, walk the doggies. It's a foresty part, so it won't be too warm hopefully. And have some lunch there.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to a camping, something we don't really do normally, but because it's so warm we wanted something at the sea, at the coast. And yeah, we booked the camping. I also put in the name from the camping and let you know how it is, of course. So that's what we're doing. And we already did shopping. 8 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. We
Very early.
wanted to get done really quick because the dog's going to be in the van.
Yeah.
Not too warm.
Yeah. So we went, yeah, the little and the Netto.
Netto, yeah. Yeah, the airco's full blast now.
Yeah, it's still warm.
Still warm. Some people walk up those. We're not going to do that today.
No, not today, not ever.
Well, not today.
Not ever. Here, Nick. Especially for you and Trav. Little far.
Humour. Little fires.
Kafé Kamma.
Kamma chameleon.
Kamma chameleon. Kamma chameleon. Are you going to?
Every time.
Every time. We're just slowing down. Just relax. Small little roads.
It's like there's a camping plants here.
So you're good.
So we're good. They're working on that patch.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, it's nice and fresh and new.
Yep. Very pretty, but it's so much upkeep.
Yeah, that's a job as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
To do that.
Take the next right.
Just hoping we don't have anyone coming towards us. That's all. I think it's right here. See the water?
Very close.
I don't understand any of this, but I see smørrebrød, which I do know, and sandwich. I think we can eat here. And also, a funny thing, if we would have never sold our house and moved into a camper, this is the car we would have bought. Exactly this one, the Citroën. In this color even. So Kafé Kamma, with our lovely views and lovely food.
Tapas.
Makes for a happy travel.
Again.
And the dogs. Too. Just had a nice lunch and now going to Helnæs. at the campsite. Trev set everything up because the sun was shining, and I sit down, we both sit down, and we hear a slight rumbling. I said, oh, is that thunder? I guess it is.
It's on the way in.
So we have to ASAP pack everything
Literally
up.
5 minutes later after we sat down and took our first drink, this happened.
Yep. So go on. Dilly dilly. Hurry up. Hoi hoi. Yeah. The awning has to go first because if the awning gets caught, that's not good. The rest can wait.
I'm going to put everything away.
That is a good idea. It's coming right over us. It's going to be fun. It's not hill, but it's pretty severe and very much moving the whole van still. Jesus Christ. Ew. That was the storm. Trev's setting everything back up. No damage as far as we can see. That was a big one though. There's a hare there. Hi hare. It hopped across the field, but I wasn't that quick. I thought it was a rabbit first, but this is a hare. It's a bit bigger, it's like Josie size. And after rain comes sunshine. Beautiful skies though. Love the clouds and the colors. You can't really see it, I think, but it's like yellow, orange. See if we get some more thunder and rain. Looks like it, if it comes this way. So me and Trev like to say, what does the cloud look like? Oi.
It's a bit lightning.
Yeah, there's. We need to go inside.
For that cloud.
We're in an open field.
Yeah.
That cloud there.
What does it look like to you?
Well, I know, you know.
Yeah, it looks like a little dog.
Yeah, it does.
Running away.
It does. It's running away from that thunderstorm right there.
Looks like it's just bypassing us, but you never know.
It feels like it's more above us, and we're, like I said, in an open field, so I'm gonna go inside.
Okay. the road again. We
Yes.
just spent the night in Helnæs.
Helnæs, yeah.
On the island. It's
Yes.
a very pretty island. We don't have time to explore it. We was just there for one night.
Yeah.
And we had a massive storm come in last night, a freak storm. Didn't see it coming. And
Well, we did see it coming, but very late.
very late, yeah, that's what I meant.
5 minutes.
We chose a campsite and we booked it online, but never had a choice of pitches. So we ended up in an open field, which is strange. The pitches
Not so great for a storm.
not so great for a storm, but we didn't have anything big around us apart from the boat that did move.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was only for one night, so we didn't complain and didn't move. So if it was there for a week, it'd be a different story.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're on our way to see Koen, see the family,
And Stina.
your brother and your sister-in-law,
They're also
Ben and
coming.
Frida,
Nick is there.
Nick as well. So it's like a family get together
Yes. Looking forward to that.
in Odense.
Yeah. So we're on the road there now, and he's gonna pick us up. Good, but we'll film, I'm sure, and show you all about it.
Now approaching our next camp stop. They're going to stay here for a few days. It's someone's house. Do you remember the names of the people? No. Okay, then we'll get that later.
After 60 meters, turn
First
right.
find it.
We're just trying to look for it now.
Nice. This is the street name. I do recognize that through head.
It's down here somewhere.
Yeah, it's on the fields. That's what I do remember. What Ben
Okay.
told me.
This will be interesting.
You arrive at destination on the left after 350 meters.
Thanks to Ben and Frida for letting us know this one. We're going to meet up with them here as well.
It's on the Margriet route, huh?
Oh yeah, the Margriet route.
Margriet.
I've never heard about it until I got here. It's a bit like all the other routes you get in different countries.
Yeah.
Like the 500 in Scotland is the only one I remember.
Yeah, the Margriet is a pretty big one in.
The Romantic Road is another one.
Yeah, in Germany.
Yeah, all those type of roads.
Destination on the left.
So it's here.
It's here somewhere. Is this one?
Lundsgaard.
Lundsgaard. That's the one. Let's go in.
Yeah. But
Where do we go?
The campers go there.
Oh yeah, there's.
Shush, shush.
I think we go in here, right? Yeah, and it's left here. In this field.
And then left or right?
I think go round to the right here. Follow the tracks. It's very nice. And look, Ben and Frida. They're here already.
Where's our door?
It's on my side.
Waar zal ik staan? Ja, ik heb pakje.
Yeah.
So we're in Odense, in the city park, and this literally goes through the whole city center. You can just walk through the park everywhere. Very pretty. I'm going somewhere to lunch, and then we'll see what we'll do. Still a lovely day, 30 degrees today, so it's nice to walk in the shade, also for a little misty. It's nice. You're in it, Trev, if you want to or not.
Always.
Too late. We missed the party bus again. What is this?
Rambool.
Romkoelen.
What?
Romkoelen.
Ramkule?
Ja, romkoelen. Rambool.
Let me see the inside. Nice. And what do I have? What is this? Himbeerschnitzel?
It's Danish tradition to wear these hats. When they graduate, they wear it for 2 weeks and they party hard for 2 weeks. Just can't remember who sang that song, Rehab. Oh, yeah, Amy Winehouse.
Oh yeah, this is the church. And this is the townhouse, whatever it is. How do you call that?
Yeah, it's like the city hall.
City Hall, yeah.
Yeah, we're walking around and looking at everything. It's quiet.
Leather sticks. Something people in.
The secret sticks.
It's supposed to be dangerous. Okay. It's a new area, new building built, and here's the old house. We're walking now. Yeah.
Say that again. Explain.
This is the H. Jensen Museum,
Hi, Stina.
built against the old neighborhood.
Okay. We'll cut you out, don't worry.
You're gonna be a movie star.
Movie star.
The funny thing is, there's still people just living in this house. And we have an old friend who was also a teacher whose parents are living there. And she also did that when she was young. Yeah, she has all this stuff.
Christmas house. So this is the house that H.G. Andersen, the one from the fairy tales, Nick Jonge. This is the house where H.G. Andersen was born.
Crazy.
He's from the fairy tales, if you don't know who he is. And also where the Efteling, where I come from in the Netherlands, the Sprookjesbos, the fairy tale forest, is based on.
Monty Python.
Dat is ook niet goed. Je treft zijn grote hoofd zit ertussen. Ik ga al opzij.
Opposite of church.
The things you see in Denmark. This is home for the week. It's a farmer, has a nice big field on the back of this, where there's room for 8 campers with all the services basically. So yeah, not a bad place.
It's almost 150 years old.
Yep, I see that. 1878, it says on the building. Just filming the waves on the grain. Looks like a sea.
So I was intrigued on this campsite to see this. It's beautiful, right? It's just an old-fashioned cart. And it's got some old milk churns on top. Just something that piqued my interest. I have no idea what this is. So do you know? Or what this is? Is it something to churn butter with? I have no idea. It's a nice contraption though. Beautiful old machinery. And then as we go further along, yeah, there's something to sit. And we have this board. So anyone that visits here can actually write a note on the board. And the owner is actually putting in where people come from. So you can see, okay, I'm English, but technically Holland. 47. And there's one from Italy, so I'm half Italian. And I saw that there was a sign from Italy. So I put a 1 in there for him, but maybe I shouldn't. So around here, I love birds. Don't know what they all are. I think there's probably budgerigars, finches. And on the ground, probably, oh no, that's a budgerigar there. There's quail, I believe. Oh, there we go. It's a little quail. How cute is that? Like little chickens. Beautiful. And I want to get Rita. Where's Rita? Look, there's Rita. She's always sitting on top of her box. And there's some other bird behind it.
Zoomies! Where the hell is she?
Josie!
Let's go again.
There we go. Missy the
Look at my little camper husband.
Camper husband. Yeah, that's the tails. So, washing is in.
Good.
Now I've got to figure out how to use it.
You'll be fine.
First the button.
It beeps.
And okay, pick a number between 1 and 14. We went for 6.
Yeah.
Because it's 1 hour wash and 40 degrees.
That's perfect. Come on.
Oh. Let's go.
You're funny. Well done.
Well done.
Oh, so they have Greek as well? Yeah. Love Greek. How am I ever going to choose? I don't know. Neither do I.
Waffle time.
Waffle time. That's so cool. I'm going to show this. Look. Of course, me and Trev went for the special edition. Who's gonna win?
Don't know yet.
1, 2, 3. Frida and I are gonna win.
We're playing Het Tolkenspel.
A tokkenspel.
Tokkenspel. It's also known as the divorce game.
Yeah. A.k.a. de divorce game.
Ik denk dat
A.k.a.
ik had het anders gedacht.
Ja, dat denk ik ook.
And if you know the game, then you know the reason why it's called the divorce game. So never play with your partner. Always play with someone
That's why I
else.
play with Frida. Yes. It's good to have an awning.
No camping, they said. It'll be fun, they said. It'll be wet, they said. They're right.
It's pouring down.